Hello friends, this is Vivek and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Techie Vivek. So today I'm going to show you a website. This is a very useful website because through this website you can get the details of any YouTube channel, even the earning monthly and yearly, how many subscribers rank, and different thing. I mean the complete information about a particular YouTube channel. The only thing that you need to know, जो आपको पता रहना है वो है वो particular YouTube channel का नाम. So if you just know the name of that particular YouTube channel, you can just search it and you can get all the info regarding that. Okay. So let us start the tutorial. So I'll just open my Google Chrome. It's auto rotate. Okay, so the website's name is Social Blade. Okay, so let us start. Social Blade. Well friends, see, you can know about simplified analytics. See, you can know about any of the channel that is associated with YouTube. So let me start. For example, if I just want to know about BB Key Wines, that is one of the most popular channel that we have, and then I'll press search. Okay, see, uh, this has shown me all the search result of all the BB Wines channel, but the first one that is having how many subscribers, 16 lakh subscribers is on the top, and that is the original one. So let me select the channel and then we can read the details of each channel. See, so first of all, it's about grading. I mean, grading is basically how popular the channel is. If the channel is too popular, it will be under A grade, and then uh, and consequently others are in B, C and all. Okay, and then other like subscribers rank, video view rank, then Social Blade, the websites, what rank it holds, and then see estimated monthly earning, that is from 6.7 k to 107k. K stands for 1000 and for yearly it is 80.2k to 1.3 million. And down part you can see the daily earnings. I mean daily, how many subscribers they have got, and what was the earning of that particular day. So it's a very useful website actually, and so that was all about this website. You can see, and you can search for any other websites too. I'll show you any other website. TVF, the viral fever videos. Its name was the okay, sorry, the viral fever videos. I hope this works. Okay, yeah, cool. So this was our this is one of the another most popular channel of India, started by IIT Kanpur guy. See, you can see 2770th rank. Estimated monthly income is 3.8k to 60.4k, and here is the daily analysis, like how many subscribers they got, videos view per day, then estimated earning. So this is like very important website that only less people know it. but still I know many of the people who are doing it must be knowing it, but still it's my, since it's a tutorial and educational thing, I just wanted to show you. Then another is AIB. I think it has something else. Okay, no problem. So that was all about this video. I hope you have liked the video. And friends, so I'll keep you updated with all these new things that is going around. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like, comment and share, so that I get motivated to do more and more videos. So that's all for now, and please help me to grow my channel. And so that's all. This is Vivek signing off. See you later with more tutorials.